We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the iDventure Cluebox Davy Jones Locker escape room game. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The iDventure Cluebox Davy Jones Locker is a meticulously crafted wooden puzzle box designed to deliver an immersive escape room experience in a compact, reusable format. Measuring approximately 4.3 by 4.3 by 4.7 inches and weighing just over 10 ounces, this puzzle box is made from high-quality laser-cut birchwood, giving it a distinctive and attractive appearance that stands out as both a functional brain teaser and a stylish home accessory. The product is intended for 1 or 2 players, recommended for ages 14 and up, and provides an estimated 60 to 90 minutes of gameplay, making it ideal for solo puzzlers or small groups seeking a shared challenge. At its core, the Cluebox Davy Jones Locker is a sequential discovery puzzle where players must solve a series of interconnected logic challenges to unlock the box. The narrative theme draws inspiration from the legendary sea devil Davy Jones, who is said to have trapped the souls of dead sailors within a mysterious wooden box. This backstory enhances the experience, inviting players to immerse themselves in a world of nautical legends as they work to reveal the box's secrets and, symbolically, free the trapped souls. The story element is consistently appreciated by users, who find that it adds a layer of intrigue and motivation to the puzzle-solving process. In terms of build quality, user feedback consistently praises the craftsmanship of the Cluebox. The birchwood construction is smooth and precisely cut, with intricate details that showcase the manufacturer's attention to quality. The box is lightweight but sturdy, and the mechanisms operate with a satisfying tactile feel. Some reviewers note that certain pieces are small and require careful handling, and a few mention that a gentle touch is needed to avoid damaging more fragile components. However, any minor breakages are typically mendable with glue, and overall, the box is regarded as durable and well made for repeated use. One of the standout features of the Cluebox is its reusability. After solving the puzzle, players can reset the box for others to attempt, making it a great option for sharing with friends, family, or colleagues. This aspect is especially appreciated by those who enjoy hosting game nights or want to offer a unique interactive gift. The Cluebox also includes a small secret compartment measuring approximately 0.39 by 1.77 by 2.36 inches, which can be used to hide a small prize, note, or even a monetary gift. This feature adds value as a creative gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, allowing the giver to personalize the experience for the recipient. Gameplay is described as engaging and challenging, with a series of logical steps that require observation, deduction, and patience. The puzzles are designed to be challenging but fair, with clues that are integrated into the box's design rather than relying on external codes or instructions. Users appreciate that the solution process is logical and satisfying, with each step building on the last to create a cohesive and rewarding experience. The level of difficulty is generally considered appropriate for the target audience, providing enough challenge to be stimulating without becoming frustrating. Some reviewers compare the Cluebox favorably to other well-known puzzle boxes, noting that it strikes a good balance between complexity and accessibility. Many users highlight the social aspect of the Cluebox, noting that it is particularly enjoyable to solve with a partner or small group. Couples, friends, and family members report having fun working together to decipher the clues and unlock the box, making it a popular choice for shared activities. The Cluebox is also recommended as a bonding activity between parents and children, especially for those who enjoy puzzles and brain teasers. The collaborative nature of the puzzle encourages communication, teamwork, and creative problem solving, making it a valuable addition to any game collection. In terms of value, the Cluebox is widely regarded as offering excellent quality for its price. The combination of high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and replayability makes it a worthwhile investment for puzzle enthusiasts and gift seekers alike. The box's visual appeal and craftsmanship also contribute to its value, as it doubles as a decorative item when not in use. Some users express a desire for a slightly larger box, as a few of the smaller pieces can be difficult to handle, but this is generally seen as a minor issue in light of the overall experience. A few points of constructive criticism emerge from user reviews. The most common concern is the size of some internal components, which can be small and require dexterity to manipulate. While most find this manageable, those with larger hands or limited fine motor skills may find certain steps more challenging. Additionally, the slot for the final prize compartment is noted to require a bit of finesse to open, which may cause minor frustration for some players. However, these issues are generally outweighed by the positive aspects of the puzzle, and most users report a high level of satisfaction with the product. The Cluebox Davy Jones Locker is often compared to other puzzles from the same manufacturer, as well as to other popular escape room and puzzle box products. While some reviewers rank the Tesla box as their favorite, the Davy Jones Locker is consistently praised for its logical clue progression, improved construction quality, and engaging theme. The Cluebox is also noted to involve a moderate amount of disassembly, which some users prefer less, but it does not reach a level that detracts significantly from the enjoyment of the puzzle. The consensus is that the Cluebox offers a unique and memorable experience that stands out in the crowded field of puzzle games. Another notable feature is the opportunity for players to immortalize their achievement by submitting their name to the manufacturer's Wall of Fame upon solving the puzzle. This small but meaningful reward adds an extra layer of motivation and recognition for those who complete the challenge, further enhancing the sense of accomplishment. The Cluebox's packaging and presentation are also frequently mentioned in reviews. The box arrives well packaged and ready for gifting, making it an attractive option for those seeking a distinctive present for puzzle lovers, gadget enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys a mental challenge. The nautical theme and intricate woodwork make a strong first impression, and the box's compact size ensures it can be displayed easily on a shelf or desk. In summary, the iDventure Cluebox Davy Jones Locker escape room game is a standout product in the world of mechanical puzzles and brain teasers. Its combination of high-quality craftsmanship, engaging narrative, logical puzzle progression, and replayability make it a top choice for both personal enjoyment and gift-giving. The box's minor drawbacks, such as the small size of some components and the need for careful handling, are generally outweighed by its many strengths. Users consistently report high levels of satisfaction, noting that the Cluebox provides an entertaining, challenging, and memorable experience that appeals to a wide range of ages and skill levels. If you are looking for a unique gift, a new addition to your puzzle collection, or an interactive activity to enjoy with friends and family, the Cluebox Davy Jones Locker is highly recommended. Its blend of storytelling, craftsmanship, and puzzle solving delivers an escape room adventure you can enjoy at home, time and time again. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or to purchase your own Cluebox. And if you have already experienced this puzzle, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others discover whether this is the right challenge for them.